In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate and copy sheets in Google Sheets. So this video is more for beginners who are new to the program. Sometimes when you're working in these spreadsheet programs, you might want to make a copy or a duplication of your sheet. So I'm just going to show you some different ways to do that. So first, I'm going to show you how to just duplicate your sheet in your workbook. So what you want to do is come down to this tab here and right click on it, and then you have an option to duplicate, so select that. And what this is going to do is just create a duplication of your sheet in your current workbook. So the next thing I'm going to show you is just how to copy. So if you want to copy your entire workbook, what you would want to do is come to the top here, select File, make a copy, and then you can name it whatever you want, wherever you want to save it, and hit OK. And so this is going to copy your entire workbook. Or the last option, similar to how we duplicated, is come down here and copy to. So you can copy to a new spreadsheet, or if you want to copy this into an existing spreadsheet, you have some options there. And again, this video is more for beginners. That's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone.